guys, welcome to my channel Matt Girl. I'm Disha Sapra and welcoming you to my new video. Today before starting anything, I would just like to say a big sorry to you guys. Last week I uploaded just one video. I was a little busy last week, family problems. I'm so sorry guys. I will surely see to it that I upload 2 videos every week and on time. So guys, now I'll be starting with my hair mask, which I'm gonna tell you about. Today I'm going to make a hair mask with banana and curd and few more ingredients. This hair mask is actually really good for your hairs. It includes banana in it, which is really good for our hairs. It helps in it actually contains many essential ingredients, many essential minerals like carbohydrate, vitamins and many more essential oils and many more things, natural oils and many more things. So it helps in making your hair shiny, and it also helps in reducing dandruff. That's the main thing, and it brings it back to the normal state. Like, my hairs are rough these days because of outings and especially the humid climate. So that's the reason, but now I'll just bring them back to my normal state and feel them soft. So let's get started. And also this mask also includes lemon, which is also good for flaky situations and I have probably these days. So let's get started so first I will let you know about the ingredients. So the ingredients are, so this is the first ingredient, curd. Then the ingredient is banana. Not a bigger size, not a smaller size, like a medium size banana. Then you will be needing 1 lemon. That would work pretty well. Then you will be needing almond oil. I've taken this Bajaj almond drops. Brand doesn't matter, you can take any. Then you will be needing coconut oil. I've taken this Parachute coconut oil. Then you will also be needing olive oil. I've taken a Figaro olive oil. You can take any, that doesn't matter. So now, as of you know the ingredients, we'll get started with the method. So I will take this jar and I will directly put all my ingredients into it, because after that we need to grind all the ingredients. So I'm taking this 1 banana, just this much of length, not really big and not really small. I'm just peeling this banana, and if it has like impurities any side, like this banana is a little bad here, but that doesn't actually matter. So you can just add it because you're not having it. Now I'm just breaking it into pieces like this and I'm adding in my jar. Now I'm adding 2 spoons of curd. I'm adding 3 teaspoons of it. You can actually see, like, if you have a little bit longer hair, so what you can do is you can add a bit more curd, and also you can just increase the quantity of banana. Like, I'm adding 1, you can add 2 or 1.5. okay, the other half you can eat. So I'm adding almond oil and I'll add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Then this is my coconut oil. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of it too. Now my olive oil, I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of it. So 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Olive oil is actually really good for your hairs. I actually massage my hairs with olive oil. I do chumpy regularly and I do it with olive oil. Olive oil actually contains protein, which is really good for our hairs. Now we are okay. No, we are not done. our hairs are made up of protein, so it's good for it. Now I'm adding lemon. I've taken this and I'll squeeze my lemon into it. Yeah, just done the squeezing task. I'm adding one whole lemon into it, so half this, and one more time I'm squeezing. Lemon will help in your flaky situation. Now I'll take this mixer and I'll grind it out. I'll grind this thing, and remember guys, grind it really firmly, really firmly, and you have to do it like for at least 18 to 20 seconds so that your banana actually get grinded and it forms a really smooth paste, because you should not have lumps into your face, otherwise it will stick to your hair and it will get difficult to remove the chunks. Okay, so that's it. Now I'll go and just grind this mixture. So hello guys, I'm back. Now I have made this and now I'll show you the consistency and how it looks like. Okay guys, so this is the consistency of the mixture. Really smooth paste, and this is how the mixers look, pretty yellowish color. Guys, as you've seen the consistency, now your hairs into two, like so. I've done that. Now we'll get started. I'm taking this mixture. I'll just use my hands to do this. You can be fancy and use your brushes, but I'm using my hand. I have actually a towel on my lap so that any dropouts just don't. Yeah, I'm using this hand. I've taken this bit of it, and now I'm gonna just massage it over my hairs like so. Now one more, I'll take this and I'll massage. Now first what I do is I massage it all over my scalp. Now I have actually massaged it all over my head. I almost all over my head, but one side of my head. Now I'll go on my roots like this. You don't have to be fancy applying this, like, you know, you can go like any. Okay, so I'm done with one side, and the same way I'll follow and I'll do the other side. So I applied the mask and I just came back. Now I will keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I will wash my hair with shampoo and I'll condition my hair, and then after that, like, I'll let my hair dry, air dry. So that's important for your hairs. Like, normally also if you air dry your hair, that will be cool for you. So that's it guys, that was it for my hair mask video. We'll meet later, and bye bye, lots of love, and do subscribe to my video. Do subscribe to my channel, that'll mean a lot to me. Bye.